take some questions based on chapter 3D. Okay. So this is my first question. Understand the question first. What we need to find here.
Sorry,
Everyone.
your
Yes.
class is going on and you are drinking something, coffee or tea. Is this the way to sit in the class?
They are watching a movie. So this is the first question. Please try to understand the question. Very easy question. But in this chapter, we can easily score good mark. Full score. So question is find the distance of point. What is the point here? Point is P. From the point of intersection. Point of intersection. Of what? A line. This is the line joining the point and the plane. Okay. So basically, first of all, we need to find point of intersection of line joining these 2 points and this plane. Okay. So first of all, try to find point of intersection of line joining these 2 points and this plane. So first of all, we are not given here equation of line. Equation of line joining these 2 points. Points are nothing but 2, -1, 2, and other point is 5, 3, 4. Okay. See, these are, suppose this is the point x1, y1, z1, and this is the point x2, y2, z2. Yes, anyone who can tell me how to find equation of line joining these 2 points? Anyone? Yes, anyone who can tell me equation of line joining 2 points? Satvik Sani, are you there? Can you tell me the formula joining these formula for equation of line joining these 2 points? What was the formula? Hardik, can you tell me, beta, what is the formula?
Birinder sir?
Yes, sir.
More than half of them again switched off their camera.
So you can remove them. So simply remove them.
Okay.
Okay.
Lavkesh sir, please remove. Don't ask. They will join after switching on the camera. That's all.
Okay,
and the same
sir.
will be reported to Mohan ma'am. Beta, so please attend the class. Open your cameras. Okay. So equation of line joining these 2 points. Hardik, can you tell me the formula for equation of line?
Sir,
Sagun, yes, beta. Equation of line.
sir, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equals y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1
Yeah.
equals z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1.
Very good, beta. So, beta, this is the formula x minus x1. Here we write y minus y1. Here we write z minus z1. And in denominator, it is x2 minus x1. Here we write y2 minus y1. And here we write z2 minus z1. So, this is the formula for equation of line joining 2 points. So, just use this formula. We all know x1, y1, z1 is, this is the x1, y1, z1. So, just put the values of x1, y1 and z1. Y minus y1 is -1. Here z minus z1 is 2 divided by x2 minus x1. This is x2 and this is x1. Okay. So just find x2 minus x1. 5 minus 2. Similarly, we'll take y2 minus y1. 3 minus 1. Then 4 minus 2. This is the equation of line joining 2 points. Yes, Tanya, next what we should do, beta? We have got equation of line. Okay. Now we have a plane. Yes, beta.
So, and we have to find the distance at the point of intersection of the plane.
After this, what we need to find? That is our final aim. That we have to find a distance of this point.
So point of intersection of the line and the plane.
Very good. Okay. So next target is our we have to find point of intersection of line and plane. And we studied this in the last class also. Line is given here. What is line here? See, line is, this is 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 equals to lambda. So this is line. We all know this is the line, and we also have equation of plane. What is the equation of plane here? X minus y plus z equals to 5. And equation of line, this is the equation of line. Yes, how to find their point of intersection? Yes, anyone? What we do whenever we have to find point of intersection of two curves or two lines or line or plane, we just solve them simultaneously. Okay, so find the value of x in term of lambda. What will be x here? 3 lambda plus 2. Now what will be the value of y? Equated to lambda, you will get 4 lambda minus 1. Find the value of z. Z will be 2 lambda plus 2. Is there any doubt to anyone? Yes, student. So we got x, y, z in terms of lambda, and plane is given. This is the plane, so we have to solve them simultaneously. So that's what we are doing here. We have got x, y, z in terms of lambda. Now here we will be putting it. Okay, instead of x we will be writing 3 lambda plus 2, the value of x, then the value of y, which is nothing but 4 lambda minus 1, then the value of z, which is nothing but 2 lambda plus 2 equals to 5. Is there any doubt to anyone? See, 3 lambda plus 2 lambda, 5 lambda minus 4 lambda will become lambda. Now take the constant plus 2, this will become plus 1, this is plus 2 equals to 5. Now what is the value of lambda? Yes, 5 minus 5, which is nothing but lambda is 0. Okay, is there any doubt? Now what will be the point of intersection? Sagun will tell me. Beta, how to find point of intersection? We got the value of lambda. Now where we need to put this value lambda? Sagun?
In the equation number 2. So like
Very
x
good.
is
Because we need to find value of x, y, z. Okay, that is point of intersection. So put this lambda equals to 0 in equation number 2. So we will be getting here, put lambda
x-
here too, that is
y
x2. Yes.
minus 1 and z is equal to 2.
Very good. Okay. So this is the point 2 minus 1, 2. This is the point of intersection of line and plane. Okay. Now what was the actual question? Please try to see, try to understand. We have to find distance of given point with the point of intersection of line and plane. That means we have to find distance between these 2 points. Okay. We have the point P and we have the point of intersection. Okay. Point P is minus 1, minus 5, minus 10. Okay. So other point is minus 1, minus 5, minus 10. Okay. So can we find distance between these two? Yes, beta. By using distance formula. This is a part of chapter 3D which you have studied in class 11th also. Okay. So we have given 2 points. Just find their distance. Okay. So that is nothing but, let's say this is x2, y2, z2. Okay. And this is x1, y1, z1. Okay. So just use the formula. What is the formula? Swastik will tell me. Beta, what was the distance formula? Swastik, in 3D, what was the distance formula? Satvik, what was the distance formula? Satvik, what was the distance formula? Please tell me. Beta, it's the simplest formula from the chapter 3D. Drishti, beta, what was the formula? Drishti, are you there? Beta, that was the simplest formula. That is nothing but x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square plus z2 minus z1 ka whole square. So we just need to find the distance. Just put it here. These are 2 points. Okay. So this is nothing but 2 minus minus 1 ka whole square plus minus 1 minus minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus minus 10 whole square. Yes, beta. Yes. Yes. Beta, it's not audible clearly. Am I audible to all? Okay. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be 169, which is nothing but 30. That means answer is 13 unit. Is it a difficult question? Very simple question. Sometimes it comes for 4 marks or 6 marks. Very simple question, beta. Okay. So we have learned how to find a point of intersection of line and plane. And earlier we learned how to find point of intersection of two lines also. Okay. I'm taking another question. Beta, this is the question. You all need to try it. Not a difficult question. Very simple question. Yes, please. Try to understand the question first. Yes, everyone has to read this question and try to understand. Because if you have not got the exact question, then you cannot do the question. So first of all, first task is to understand the question. Find the image of point having position vector. Yes, position vector is given in the plane. See, this is the position vector of the point. That means point is nothing but, yes, what is the point? Who will tell me what is the point? Vanika, what is the point, beta? In Cartesian form, what is the point? Point having position vector, which is 1 I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. That means this is the point. Okay. And this is the plane here. Dot is missing, beta. It's a typo error. Okay. So this is the plane. Now what is the question? See, we have a plane. This is the plane given. Equation of plane is given. And this is the point. Point P is given, which is nothing but 1, 3, 4. Its position vector was given. That was nothing but I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. That means point is nothing but 1, 3, 4. And we have got the point in plane in vector form. Can you convert this into Cartesian form? Yes, everyone. Can you convert this into Cartesian form? Yes, who will tell me? Cartesian form. Charvi Vendirita. Yes, beta, what will be the Cartesian form of this plane? Charvi. Yes, beta. Charvi. Yes, Charvi. Diya. Diya, beta, please tell me how to find Cartesian equation of this plane. Beta, that is the simplest thing. Astha will tell me. Astha, Navya Goel. What will be the equation of plane in Cartesian form? Beta, please listen it carefully. If you don't know, see what we do. Yes, beta, please tell me. Please tell me.
Is equal to -3.
Okay. See, this is very simple. Actually, what we do, instead of r, we write xi plus yj plus zk. And this is dot product with this vector. Okay. Plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but you just multiply. How to multiply? 2 into x, 2x. Then y into -1, -y. Then z into 1. That is plus z.
3.
Plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Is it clear? So that's very simple. Even you can directly write, this is the Cartesian equation. Very simple. 2x minus y plus z plus 3 equals to 0. So nothing new. Isn't it? So this is the equation of plane. So beta, I'm writing here plane in Cartesian form, which is nothing but 2x minus y plus z plus 3 is equals to 0. Now what we need to find? We have to find its image in this plane. Suppose this point is looking into the mirror, then its image will be just beyond this mirror here. So this is the image. Okay, let's say this is the image and we don't know this. So we can assume it to be A, B, C. And what is this? Can anyone tell me? This is foot of perpendicular because this will be perpendicular. Okay, this will be perpendicular because the line joining point and its image will be perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, so basically this is the foot of perpendicular drawn from point P. Okay, is it clear? Because sometimes in the question it is asked like find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 1 comma 3 comma 4 to the plane. Okay, that means in that case we have to find point F. Okay, so that's very simple. Okay, now what we can do? Yes, anyone? Can anyone tell me how to find point F? Anyone? We have just learned what is F. What is F?
So midpoint formula.
No, we don't have I here, beta. That is
Sir,
correct.
shortest distance.
No, that is another thing. See, I'm saying uh, F is nothing but point of intersection of point F is nothing but point of intersection of line PF. This is point of intersection of line PF and plane. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Am I right or wrong? I'm saying point F is nothing but point of intersection of line PF or line PI, any line, that is the same line, and the plane. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Are you clear with this? Yes. Okay. So point F is nothing but point of intersection of line and plane. So how to find point of intersection? We must know the equation of plane and we must know the equation of line. Then we solve them simultaneously as we have done in previous question. So here we have equation of plane, but here we don't have equation of line. So first of all, find equation of line. So that means I'm going to find line PF. Okay, beta, how to find line PF? Beta, whenever we find equation of line, we need a point. Okay, through which line is passing. So we have this line which is passing through point P, which is nothing but 1 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, is this clear? This is nothing but x1, y1, z1. Okay, this is the point x1, y1, z1. Okay, and what else we know? We should know. Yes, beta, for line we need two things. One, point through which the line is passing. Beta, what to do now? This is the equation of line and this is the equation of plane. Okay. And in the figure, you all can see f is nothing but point of intersection of line and plane. So we are going to just solve them simultaneously. How to solve them simultaneously? We got the values of x, y, and z in terms of lambda. Okay. Now we are putting these in. Put these in equation 2. Okay. So what is the equation 2? 2x minus y plus z plus 3 is equals to 0. Now just put the value of x, which is 2 lambda plus 1 here. Okay. Minus y is minus lambda plus 3 plus z. Z is nothing but lambda plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is nothing but 4 lambda plus 2 plus lambda minus 3 plus lambda plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 0. Now what to do? 4 lambda plus lambda plus lambda, 6 lambda. Okay. Now you can see 4 plus 3. This is cancelled. 4 plus 2, which is 6. So lambda equals to minus 1. We got the value of lambda, but we need to put this in third to get the point of intersection. So put this in third. So from third, x equals to 2 lambda plus 1. Y equals to minus lambda plus 3. And z equals to lambda plus 4. So instead of lambda, we will be writing minus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but solve it, x minus 1, y plus 4, and z plus 3. So this is the point of intersection of line and plane. And in the figure, it is clear that point of intersection of line and plane is nothing but foot of perpendicular, F. So we got this point. What is it? See, F is minus 1, 4, 3. Now we had a figure. In figure, P was already given, F was in the middle, and I is image which we assumed ABC. P is already given. What is it? Tanya, can you tell me what is point P?
So can you repeat? So it's 1, 3, 4. Point P you
Yeah,
asked, right?
point was given. Okay, I have taken this line from this figure. See, this was the figure. I have taken the line PI from this figure. Okay, P F I. We have P given 1, 3, 4. Okay, I have written here P is 1, 3, 4. I is assumed to be A, B, On,
Sir, plane.
okay. Yes, what else? In this, we have learned many other things. Foot of perpendicular,
Sir,
isn't it?
equation of plane through three non-collinear points.
Yeah. These things we have studied in last class also. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Okay. Foot of perpendicular.
In vector
Foot-
form.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that is correct. Foot of perpendicular on plane. Okay. We learned how to find point of intersection of a plane and line. Isn't it? We have learned how to find point of intersection of plane and line. Okay. We studied equation of plane through three non-collinear point A, B, C, especially in vector form. Okay, but I tell you the Cartesian form is more easy because you all are simplifying things in maths in Cartesian form up to class 12th. Okay, so you can any question in Cartesian form. Okay, but if in the question data is given in vector form, then you have to write the final answer in vector form. That is important thing. Okay. If other things which are given in the question are in vector form and you have to find equation of plane, then it is not written that you have to find it in Cartesian form or vector form, but you have to write the answer in vector form because other data was given in vector form. Okay, but you can solve it by using any form. That is not a problem. Okay, so students, that's all for today.